Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw tips and tricks, and this video is about using Corel as to help you in the math. This is a prime example. I was working on a project. I'm drawing a box, and I want it this size, which is only 846 wide. But inside of Flexit, it makes the tabs. It makes everything smaller because it's making the whole thing 8.46. So I need to add the tabs, which are 0.13. So 0.13 and 0.13 are 0.26. And my box is only 8.46 wide. I've got my ratio unlocked. So I'm going to just I'm going to take away that sign. I'm going to hit the plus sign. And then I'm going to add 0.26. Now my box is 1 inch and 0.06, and then when I go to flex it and make my box, I get how much bigger I wanted it exactly. So even though the arch is different, the tabs stick out as far away as the product does. So using math inside of Corel, let's back up here. You'd have to get out a calculator to add that up because it's 8.46. But just hit the plus sign, 0.26. And Corel's going to do the math for you. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.